If you want a little bit louder, we can delete the X pipe and convert it to an H pipe.
Big boy, what you gonna resell it? What you doing, big boy? Playing James, who still wears? With it, man, we about to hit this gym. This not mine, by the way. That's not mine.
Okay.
All right, just let people know.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Get this out of here, bro. I didn't drink those beers right there. So we about to go up in here. I'm gonna do legs today. I gotta get back on my leg regimen. I think I like how it be with 1.5.
Yeah.
Look darker and prettier. Whose subs look like that, man? Go to hyphylife.com, get yours today, or guess what? You a bot. If you ain't ordered from Hyphy Life, you a bot. You gotta prove to the culture you not a bot, all right? I'm just saying, bro, we ain't playing with these bots out here. You know what I mean? We know how to deactivate you. Kumbaya, my love. Kumbaya. How you let me figure something out here? Lord, thanks for giving me this recipe. I'll be in the lab mixing it up myself. So good. Go to hyphylife.com, go to yours today. Use the code YT and you get a nice discount, baby. I gotta start back getting a calf pump, man. I miss my cash punch. Kai Marshall, order 66 for calling me a retard. Got legs today, boy. They say I don't do legs, boy. They must ain't seen that last quad video I did, boy. You see them quads? Ain't no more excuses. I don't care about you having 2 kids. I do. And I'm still at it, still hustling harder now. You know what I mean? I want to be the perfect father, perfect superhero that they see and they like.
That's right.
You know, all y'all peasants out there, oh, I got 2 kids, that's why I'm fat now. Those 2 kids don't stop from eating. There ain't nothing like those stand-up calves, boy. Woo! Look at that baby, boy. Come on, man. 2 sets, 3 sets, I'm back to slow, man. My objective on calf is pumping them till I can't pump them no more. That's usually when I hit 15 reps. That pump, boy, that pump. Go out. Go out.
Nah, I look good. What are you talking about? You look good, bro. I wouldn't have did that. Yeah.
I wouldn't have did that.
I wouldn't have did that. I wouldn't have sold my cars. I would have spent $1,000 on
They got
Gucci's.
repo. They got repo, guys.
Did they get repoed?
They got repo, guys.
Hey guys, order 66 Kai Muscle.
Bring it on. Bring it on. I am the one and only Kali Muscle.
We're in the Kobe's today, okay.
Oh yeah, representing, man. Violence. So on these, I'm going for 20 and better. I learned, man, unfortunately it took so long for me to learn how to do legs. I was already in my 30s. It took me all those years of trial and error thinking I had to go hella heavy, bro. All that brought was achy legs and knees. Now I don't have no aches, pains, nothing. Can't go all the way up because that'll stretch it out. A lot of people try to go, oh, I can go all the way back though. Listen, I just don't want that pump to leave. You want to keep that tension on it. Don't let the muscle relax. Get as many reps as you can. Whoever do the most reps will look the best. So what's the objective you got here with these legs, man?
Feeling that curl and not extending too much. Actually feeling the pump.
Oh, okay.
Making love to it.
Oh, okay. That's the key, guys. Keeping the tension on it, pumping, never stopping the movement.
Oh yeah. And I'm gonna do yoga later.
Oh, this feels good.
Get the foot position.
Yeah, it depends on your height, where your feet go.
Right.
Being stiff is not cool, guys. People walk around. Do the whole stack of this, man.
You need to do the whole stag.
All right, what's up?
What the machine do to you?
Yeah! Yeah! Since the heart attack and me not being able to work out for 3 months, my body kind of evened out. My legs almost just as big as my upper body now. Everybody praise squat, leg press, bro. That's when my legs got big, when I learned how to do leg press correctly. Not just heavyweight, pushing it all the way, come back, relax. Got them old Viking legs. You ain't gotta work out, man. I gotta work my little toothpicks, man.
Really?
I made a blend. European.
Oh yeah.
So he gonna be dumb swole. See, I do legs, man. I just don't show y'all. Cause leg videos don't do the best. My BBC too big, so they don't wanna show y'all that video. Tampon boys, no, they tampon boys. Bots, no, they bots. Look at my comments, they tell you what they bot. I'm classified as a bot maker. So this machine is tricky, because if you come all the way right there, it's relaxed.
Right.
So I can try to find right there. I find where every machine tension is. Excuse me. Keep going. Don't stop till I tell you to.
Okay.
Let's see, I got.
Don't stop till they pop.
There's good money right there. Let's see that one, boy. See, that'll teach you how to feel, boy.
Bangs. Okay, this is a good angle right here.
They starting to pop out.
Oh, yeah. That looks massive.
It hurts so good. What are you, Baba? My happiest time in prison was when I was in solitary confinement, away from everybody. I used to love it.
Yeah.
I used to read like a book every 2 days. I'm not scared of being in the dark. Like, my love for life is just, whew. Go see me dressed like this at 70, babe. You know what I mean? Pimping. My 2 rollies on the big ones. Rings, all like that, working out. I'm gonna be that OG. Feel like I'm just starting to work out again, man. First time in my life at 12 years old. But I didn't know how to get this pump like this. Y'all just dumb if you don't know how to work out. If you don't know how to get rich. It's all on the fucking internet. You know what I mean? My generation, I had to go through trial and error. So I never had a mentor or nothing like that. I saw Ronnie Coleman and I'm like, he doing those short pumps, I'm gonna try it. Motivated me to do it, it was harder. It was like right here, bam, bam. So you had to have control and be able to pump it.
I do look good. Self-proclaimed. Actually, no. I've been told I look good.
It's not a woman, it don't count.
Yeah, a woman.
What's those shades you got on, man?
Gucci's cost $500.
Just like your Fendi's you had on.
Cost $1,000.
They're the same style as your Fendi's, man.
$20,000. Ooh, wee.
Oh, he got some too, huh? That'll be doing the most. Getting white tips on this.
Yeah.
He's doing the most. Ooh, yeah, that's white on white, boy.
Okay, so the only way to make this a little bit louder, remove the X and replace it with the H pipe.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you got 3 and 3, 6 inch, 3 and 3, 6 inch out, 6 in, 6 out. But right here, it's choked down to a 4 inch. So basically it's 6 to 4 to 6.
Oh, we need that straight up.
So this is to create back pressure to the engine so you get power. But since you want a little bit louder, we can delete the X pipe and convert it to an H pipe.
Right, yeah.
H pipe, it's gonna be 6 straight through.
Okay.
No more 6, 4, 6.
Right.
And then we're gonna do the crossover so it can create the back pressure and balance the exhaust, equalize the sound.
Okay.
That's gonna get it like around 20-30% louder. Around there.
Oh, nice. That's what I want, baby. Hell yeah. Let's do it, baby.
Hey, you get over here and film it then, dog.
It's legal to my police brethren. We legal, baby. You know what I mean? We legal. Hypey Whitey, you can't record me with my shades off, man. I look prettier. I'm, how you say, 50% prettier with my shades off.
Self-proclaimed.
My servicemen brethren. We legal, baby. Yay. I got a lot of, you know what I mean, people I met at this police at car meets and stuff. Come to Team MPE, man. Get your, you know, hey, we got, like I say, associates, friends that's police. They got Hellcats, Red Eyes, all that. Y'all come down here and get yours hooked up, man. Team MPE, man. Number, I think this is number 1. Yeah, come to number 1, man. Tell them Khalid sent you. They might give you a few bucks off. You know, we in inflation right now. Money hard to come by. You know what I mean? So we the Trackhawk, you know, we might be looking at getting a tune next. Full blown. Hey, if y'all want the best publicity ever, Trackhawks, baby. Y'all go ahead, hook it up to 1,000 horsepower. And man, anytime people see it, see how it got reflections back there? We got VW wraps up there. Y'all could be on this, man. Get that hoe up to 1,000 horsepower, man. That gurgle you was talking about.
You think?
Huh?
Yeah, it was.
Shicey J, you about to be exposed some more. We about to see what you did to that Trackhawk, boy. Huh? We know it sound good, but we gonna see if you did what you said you did, boy.
With the black? Oh, yeah.
Yours like, bang, bang. Sound like a fort when I do a mukbang.
Guy's a man. You're
Right here, they deleted the resonator, but they don't put an X pipe because it already has like a factory X pipe, which is like it's just 2 pieces of pipe with a hole in the middle, and they just put it together. So it's not like a real X pipe. So they only deleted the resonators and kept the OEM mufflers in the back.
So the only thing they did was resonator delete.
Yeah, only thing they did the resonator delete. Yeah, that's it.
Keep me away.
You're the one that wanted to come in.
Gotta get the smell of jewelry and diamonds, gold, platinum. I think it's on there, right? Where is that, Hyphy?
Oh, it's on the line?
Yeah, it's on the top thing.
Does it come out or no?
Yeah, it come out. What's tomorrow? Friday? Oh, we'll be out this way anyway.
Yeah.
Supposed to get a teeth cleaning. But you can do the chain, huh? You can clean the chain, you can keep
yeah.
the chain, right?
Yeah, I could clean all this.
That's how you are walking around your house. How you are right now, right? Or do you walk around with your gold teeth in?
That'll be like too much. You know, her mom's be clowning.
You do look basic right now.
I do without the chain.
Just without nothing.
Yeah.
Bro, it's like, whoa.
You look normal, huh?
Yeah.
Big boy. I'm at Broadway Diamond Center. That's
Gold
correct,
Center.
right?
Gold Center.
I'm at Broadway Gold Center, BGC. And man, you know, I seen a little video you did, you know what I mean? Y'all make sure y'all go tag Big Boy about this, even though I'll see him before y'all see this video. You know, he got his little plain Janes. You know, they cute. They cute. This is what I give my little son and daughter. I wouldn't even give my son and daughter that, to be honest. My son and daughter gonna be wearing this over here. Diamond, lose the value on it. How you gonna say? Depreciate that. When you got money, you depreciate it. You seen all Mayweather jewelry? He depreciate everything. You think he can't? No, because he rich. So only people that, guess what, plan on reselling get one without the diamonds. Big boy, what you go resell it? What you do it, big boy? Plain James, who still wear but 60, 70-year-old men, big boy? You gotta come with the youngsters, man. Look at that. They got your name on it right there, but them baguettes in the baguettes with them baguettes in them, boy. Look at that. This is what you supposed to be at, big boy. This the young person row right here. That's the young man row. You got your watch 2022, 2030, mother. It's for old man. I'm almost old enough to be a father, and I wouldn't get that. Try to do that little video about 2022, pay that little 17 on the. I'm just saying, big boy, you gotta leave this alone. Come to this.
Are all Trackhawks SRT8s? They have to be, yeah?
SRT8, no.
No, so they have an SRT8.
And Trackhawk's like higher?
Right, Trackhawk is the highest one.
Damn, that's it.
Yeah, they crazy. I just got my exhaust redone. I wanted it louder.
That's sick. Well, yeah, I was watching your video yesterday.
So I picked that up tomorrow?
Yep, pick this up tomorrow. I got
Okay.
you, bro. Just a little missing diamond here.
Ooh.
Got it all cleaned up. Yeah, there was
Thank you.
There was like pre-workout or something. I don't
Yeah,
know
you
what.
see
It
that?
was
Yeah, that's why I had to get it clean.
Pre-workout.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.